Hello, and welcome to the West Village area of Uptown in Dallas. We are here because Courtney is moving. Yes, even more change.
Shocking.
I know. It's contagious. Okay, so here's the deal. Well, I'll let you do the talking. You're up.
Okay, so when we first moved here, I thought it was gonna be so important to live close to Merritt and Dom for work purposes. I thought I was gonna have to get there at 7 a.m. Long story short, I am also no longer with Merritt as of like mid-September, I think.
Yeah.
We just had different approaches to doing social media, which is totally fine. But I was on contract there since I took over the team. My contract was up and I decided that it was time for me to step away.
Yep.
And so that is up. So now I'm back full-time with Dom. She's back full-time with me.
As Huey Lewis in the news said, I'm happy to be stuck with you.
Me too. So, but I am full city girl at heart.
Yeah.
I need to be living in a city, and where I live now, although it's so beautiful,
It's a little sleepy for you.
Sleepy.
It's sleepy
It's
for
a lot
you.
of like families. It's a beautiful, beautiful place, but this is
your vibe, girl.
This is the vibe.
Yeah.
So I've moved, I think, 10 times in the last 10 years. So I can fully relate. I mean, that's why we get along so well.
There's a lot. Very simpatico. So we're going to show you guys 3 apartments.
Yeah.
And then you can comment on which ones that you like and think Courtney should consider for a variety of reasons.
Yes.
And then you're moving, your lease is up in February, so you'll be moving in February.
Yeah, like mid-February is ideal date. So we're a little early, but because I don't know the area, I just want to get in as many as I can and have time to think about it. And now with the holidays coming up, I just think things are going to get crazy. So figure what better time to start than this week.
So let's do it. Are you ready to look at some apartments?
Let's go.
I'm so excited.
Yay.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, so this is an 1142 square foot 2-bed, 2-bath. They are all of our corner units, so they'll have floor to ceiling windows. So pretty. A common area as well as the guest bedroom.
I know.
The guest bathroom and bedroom. And then again, you'll get a floor to ceiling.
Oh, it's so pretty. So cute.
It's beautiful. The floor to ceiling glass kind of reminds me of my old apartment in Houston, doesn't it?
100%.
Yeah, that was the vibe I got the minute I walked in here.
I haven't done too much. I've done some exploring in Dallas, just like with work and stuff. And living so far, I haven't done as much as I want to.
Yeah.
But I came down here like a couple weeks ago and just like found like a coffee shop to work out of for the day, and I was like, it's so cute here.
Well, this area is so walkable too.
Yes.
Obviously, Dallas is a very pet-friendly city, but this area is great to have pets and get nuts, which is right down the street. Well, I say down the street, it's right around the corner.
This closet.
There's like little wall food places. So this is a 905 square foot. It's that A7 or an A8. They're kind of
Feels big.
so cute.
So cute.
It's cute.
Yeah, so it's a 1-bed, and I've seen it flip-flop, so I felt like this would give you a good idea of what you could do, but I've seen living up here as well.
But I like the dining here.
Office back here. Our cabinetry in here compared to the other one that we're in,
Yeah.
You're getting a way larger kitchen here.
And bar stools, your bar stools can go here too.
It's a lot bigger than I thought it was gonna be.
A
Yeah,
lot.
So this is, other than, we have a 1-bed with a study, but those are like 37. So like this is gonna be the largest 1-bed I think you would get for your price range.
Yeah.
And I think they're stunning. I actually rented one of these out before I moved here for my birthday.
Oh, really?
I loved it. I was there for the weekend.
Oh, that's so cute.
Yeah, and you'd be on a higher floor.
Yeah, it's cute, right?
Yeah, I like this a lot. What do we think?
Okay, I like it a lot better. than I thought it was.
I know.
For a one bedroom.
No.
I have to get rid of a lot of your furniture.
Oh well, I've done the same. No skin off my back. This is boss approved. Okay, I'm obsessed. If you're not, there's something wrong with you. Yes. Oh my gosh, what did I think? Reminded me a lot of where I came from in Houston, actually. Just the lightness, the brightness in the community. You know, the apartments kind of in the middle of, what's this neighborhood?
Uptown.
Uptown. Oh my God, there's a Malai kitchen right here. Okay. There's so much stuff. It reminds me of Houston, you know, in that River Oaks district. And I like that for you because I think just, you know, having a dog and walking a dog at night and having a sense of community and being in a really good part of town matters. And sometimes you've got to sacrifice size and space in order to make that happen. It was light, it was airy, it was beautiful, it was updated. I mean, this is our first one, but so far it's a win. And that pool,
obviously a winner. I'm obviously obsessed. I feel like the heart eye emoji. I loved it so much, and I fully was aware that I was going to have to downsize to live in the area that I wanted to. Whether that, I mean, because even the 2-bedroom, everyone's seen what my place looks like now. It's the 2-bedroom's even smaller than what I have now. So it's really just a thought of okay sacrificing the 2nd bedroom because I have so many visitors. But I just loved it. It's so pretty and I want to make friends, so on to the next.
We do have a 24-hour concierge service for immediate movement.
Okay.
So she was saying that this is an older building and was commenting that it was made of concrete, which older buildings were, and it helps to keep it quiet. And then the other thing too that I'm noticing with older structures, there tends to be more square footage in the units compared to the newer builds. So in this case, if Court gets lucky, she can get a 2-bedroom that is larger square footage and hopefully has been upgraded. And that's kind of a win-win, is what we're noticing. Okay.
Yes, this is what I saw online.
And this is so
Isn't that cute?
stinking cute.
Extra bedroom.
Yeah.
We do have a 2-bedroom loft, so if something comes available, I can let you know.
It's very, very
Isn't it
kind
cute?
of city vibe.
I know.
Very city vibe. Oh.
Renovation.
Yeah. Oh, Court.
Isn't it? This is the one I saw.
What are you gonna do?
I don't know. Isn't it cool?
Yes, it's super cool. It's so modern. Oh yeah, and look at this closet too. Makes it feel a little more homey.
Oh yeah.
Since it's concrete.
Yes, yes. And see, look, you could even do your bedroom, your vanity.
I could even put my vanity over here.
You sure could. Huh.
How cool is this?
So cool. Very unexpected. Very unexpected. And I love the concrete floors.
I know, me too.
Okay. Huh. Okay, I'm so confused.
See, I told you, people are like, I only want the tower, and they come to a loft, they're like, wait a second.
Uh-huh.
It's so
This is
cute.
kinda cool.
It's so stinking cute.
And honestly, I'd have to just ditch, I think, a table.
You would. You'd be
I'd have to
ditching a
just do
lot.
the bar stools.
Which leads me to,
I know.
you ought to go back to the 2-bedroom in the tower.
Yep,
Yeah, because then all your furniture comes.
100%.
It's pointless to
I
start
agree.
ditching
This is just like
furniture.
a cool concept.
I know it.
But
And it's more expensive. So this is getting interesting. The first building, stunning, new, shared amenity. You can't beat that pool. That pool was so tricked out. But
Yeah.
look, it's not about the pool. It's about your monthly rent.
yeah.
It's about space, all of that. So what we just saw, you can get an updated 2-bedroom that's well within your budget. And granted, the shared spaces aren't as great. Pool isn't as nice as the first one. I mean, all of that's not as nice, but it checks a lot of boxes in terms of you get to keep all your furniture. You don't have to give stuff away. The rent is well within actually under what you thought you'd have to pay. So that's a big win. It's starting to kind of make sense, you know? Let's see what this one holds, but I want your thoughts.
I thought I was so in love with the last one, the first one, which
Yeah.
I still am. But this one is just so much more practical. Again, it doesn't have all of the huge bells and whistles, but the unit itself is nice, and I feel like that's where I will spend 95% of my time. And I can get everything that I want, and the price that I want, the space that I want. It just, I feel like it makes a lot more sense.
Yeah.
But I still really love the other one. And now we're gonna add a third contender, so let's go see. Let's go.
Go see. Let's maybe go. Well, no, you were saying you like the hallways, which tell you, they give you a feel as to, sorry,
Oh, I thought it.
purse malfunction. Hallways give you a feel as to what the apartment's going to be like, kind of like bread at a restaurant gives you a feel as to what the food's going to be like.
Interesting.
That's my thing. If the
What a
bread
good
at a
analogy.
restaurant is bad, go walk.
Walk.
Walk. It's
Or
not,
in
it's
Texas,
not
the
worth it.
Chips and salsa.
Oh, well, there it is. And the smell.
I'm not kidding you.
I'm
I was just
serious,
thinking in my
it
head, I want my life to smell like
Yes. It's like you're luring us in with the cookie smell.
I think you're hungry.
I am starving.
All this food talk.
I know. Bread, cookies, salsa. Put a fork in me, I'm done. Oh. Oh, Court. Oh.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
It's also crazy how much brighter it is.
It's so good. And it smells in here. Like the whole way.
Does it come with it?
See, look, these, oh. Okay. And storage.
Yep.
Wait,
Oh, and that's the laundry thing from
yes!
the other bedroom.
You get the laundry chute. Wait, check this out. I'm such a fan of built-ins. Look
Yeah,
at that.
it's so cute.
And look at this, like a little art nook over here or something for a mirror.
oh, I
No.
Oh, that's so cute.
Oh, okay. Yeah, this is the guest bedroom.
This is the main.
This is the ensuite, yeah.
Okay.
This
The primary.
will be the master. You have a dual entry for the guest.
Oh my gosh, would you look at that? Why do I think we have found your home? Whoa. Yeah, I can't get enough of that.
I know.
That is so clever. And, yes, and your living room fits.
Oh yeah. Yep.
The table fits here,
Yep.
and the bar stools fit here. Everything gets in. Everything gets in. And nice size guest bedroom.
Yeah.
Nice size. Whoops. Oh, sorry. Oh my God, and look at all the extra storage space you have.
Do you want to live there?
If I were doing apartments again, to me, space is everything.
No.
spaces, you just can't skimp on closet space.
Yeah.
You just can't.
It's very just like clean and
Clean and you know what it is? It's happy.
yeah, 100%.
Okay, that was amazingly fun.
Yeah.
Exciting. I think you got some incredible options.
Yes. Okay, I think we should go through them all.
Okay.
Like recap. The
All right,
day.
recap apartment 1
Apartment 1.
and building 1.
Correct.
Beautiful. I
So
think
beautiful.
so beautiful. That pool, I was in love with the pool. But look, you're not going to get an apartment for the pool. It was the most expensive.
Yeah. By
It
far.
offered the least amount of space for you. So that was
Yes.
concerning.
I just feel like it's like that thing that has all the bells and whistles on it.
Yes.
And you just don't need all the bells and whistles.
Yes.
Like when you get a car and it has all these like crazy features and it's like, this is so cool, but really needs to get you from A to B.
Right.
And I don't know.
I don't know. So we're thinking about that. The second one.
Yeah.
Okay. So again, had concierge.
A
nice-
bit of an older building.
Older
A little
building.
older feel. The pool wasn't as nice.
Yeah.
But
the unit was great and
The
really
space.
spacious and
beyond.
upgraded.
Yes. Upgraded option is definitely
Yeah.
what saved it, I think.
Right.
And something I didn't even think of considering were those lofts.
That was wild. That's an option
cool.
too.
It's
So
so
it just
cool.
depends maybe if they get a 2-bedroom because the
Yeah.
1-bedroom was a little tight.
Agreed.
So we'll
Agreed,
see.
agreed.
And then option 3.
Yeah.
Okay, what y'all don't know the smell in that whole building.
Someone kept
It
talking
was
about
so
the-
fragrant. We're like, this place smells so good. It's trickery.
Yeah, no, that place
Oh,
smelled amazing.
And y'all, there are trolleys in
oh
this
yeah,
neighborhood.
look
How do you not love this? I'm just so excited to come
how cute.
visit
So
her
cool.
now.
Absolutely.
Okay, so building 3, I thought it had a beautiful apartment. The closets,
Oh.
incredible.
Incredible. And that little hamper thing between the bedroom and the laundry room.
So
The only
so
place
clever.
I've ever seen that is in your last
My
townhouse.
last townhouse. That's right.
And I never thought I'd find that in an apartment.
And there it is in an
So
apartment.
cool.
So that was a really good layout too.
Yeah.
I guess the downside was max 4-story.
Yeah, so that one wasn't a high rise. So I
Right.
wouldn't have like a crazy high anything or a view or anything like that.
But the price was right.
Yeah, just something to take into consideration.
Yes.
Not a deal breaker.
No,
So we love all of them.
we do.
The dilemma.
I know, we couldn't even scratch one off the list. So you got a lot of
No.
thinking to do. You guys have a lot of
Please.
thinking to do. So
Please.
please share your insight and just sort of your gut reaction. What
Yes.
did you think? And then she's also there. We're noticing there are a few others around here that we haven't toured yet. So who knows? We may
Yes.
either tour more or she could totally throw a wrench into the whole party and wind up going with something else. But the next time you see will be an actual home reveal.
Yeah.
And you'll know where Courtney wound up.
That'll be in February. So fingers crossed. Thank you for all your input. And thank you for joining me
Oh,
today.
this was so fun!
Such a good day.
I loved it. I
Me
love your new
too.
neighborhood.
Me too. Welcome anytime.
Thank you. I will
And
be
so
here.
are you. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.